Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So today we're heading out to visit my friend's garden. So stay tuned and very soon we're gonna see his collection. Wow, my God. Your plants are everywhere.
Yeah.
Look who's talking. Ooh,
Yeah.
wow! My gosh!
Ay, nagulat
This
tayo
is
dito
like
sa bahay kung side tayo
a
sa bahay.
collection. So meet Jose, the artist of all of this beautiful creation.
Yeah, no, this is nice.
Oh.
Ayun na nga, I heard the chicken.
I don't know where to start. I'm
It's
like,
the Philippines.
Yeah, right there we have like a family chicken.
Wow.
I think they don't like destroy the
Yeah,
plants.
no, they don't like. They really respect the plants. And
Wow,
everything.
that's like you
Yeah.
raise them well.
They have.
Wow.
What does it look
Oh,
like?
this
It's
is
halfway down. Yeah.
beautiful.
I love that smell.
Relaxing.
No, it's already one.
No, it's all one.
Yeah, it's a forest, but already got like into
Oh
one
my.
tree. I did this one.
So how many
in,
trees are there?
Like
Like
eventually was this two.
Yeah, but
this
it's
the main
one root.
I
But
know,
it's
yeah.
already one,
But
like-
there's a lot of
Yeah.
you planted it separately.
Yes.
Wow.
I did this one and I started this one in 2019. Yeah.
How did you start with bonsai? What inspires you to like?
I like plants, you know. I like plants.
Just
And
in there.
when I got that one, my first one, I was like, oh, I want to do bonsai. But before I didn't know exactly how to work on it. I just have the plants.
Mm-hmm.
Then like 10 years ago, I started like going deep into bonsai, like how to wire, how to do all the things.
It-
Nice here. The weather.
Yeah, it's cool,
Yeah.
nice.
For
yeah.
plants.
Yeah, they love this
Ganda.
the weather,
weather,
like
yeah.
all the things and
So when you started dating Des, you're already into.
yes, yeah, already. I
Oh,
already have a lot of plans, right? Yeah,
is
for
that
sure.
why you fell in love with
I
it?
think he because of my dog.
The dog.
Yeah, 'cause I have a dog. So I was like, yeah,
Oh, that's.
but dogs. I love animals, dogs. I have like
Like this is the
yeah,
perfect
this is
spot for you
the
guys.
older
Yeah.
female. She's going around here. I think that's the middle and the
Wow.
Feels like province.
yeah.
Ah,
There you go.
Yeah.
is that
Wait
like?
till we leave, guys.
That's it,
Oh
that's
no,
it.
they're actually. Is that like?
That's the mom of the other two.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
that's the
they're
first couple,
they're
yeah.
other couple?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Even the chickens are couple. Even the
they-
chickens.
You guys are,
Yeah, they like but I got
Oh,
fruit
so
and
it's-
roaster,
ang ganda.
and then the chicken.
These are all for sale.
Some of them. This one no. This one is for sale. That one for sale. Some of them still working. This is one of my first American elm, so I don't think this is gonna be for sale.
Mhm.
Yeah,
What is this rated?
I think it's a American elm.
Elm.
Chinese elm, but this is different kind of elm.
So if this size, you're still wiring it and.
Yeah, I used to do. This is almost at the end. You can see this one has some
there's
wire.
wires already here.
Oh,
Has
so
some
still.
wire, yeah.
And then
This is
the
for the branches. So now you can see how it's growing the new shoots. Eventually, like this one, I need to wire to bring it little down.
Mhm.
But all of this tree go to up,
Mhm.
and this branch I need to wire to
To
bring
go
it like
down,
down.
oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
But now I let them grow. So then I go to pruning. Maybe in May, it's the time when I have to prune and rewire and do the things to keep doing the shape.
Wow.
A lot of work.
Yeah.
Is it a lot of work?
Yeah, when you have a lot, yeah, like three, because this one take you like 45 minutes to cutting and wiring, and then
Mhm.
and then you have a tree like that one there, like this one.
Wow.
That's already like
Mhm.
So
For-
that one doesn't grow anymore. That's the highest.
that's
still
gonna
gonna
be the
grow.
highest. I just have to keep pruning,
Pruning.
and that's it. No more higher
Yeah,
than
but it's
that.
beautiful.
So pruning means also on top, like I have to.
Yes.
Oh, because or
Sometimes,
else
yeah.
it's gonna keep on going.
Yeah, all of this one gonna keep
Yeah.
growing. I just trimmed this one last day, but some of it gonna keep growing. I grew that one from seed. Yeah, like 12 years ago. Yeah, that was 12 years ago. Yeah. This one right here.
This is your like.
This is from my collection. This one right here. This is another maple tree.
This is also like.
Yeah,
14.
20 years old. Like,
Well,
I think should be the
I think you posted one already.
I used to
Yeah,
post.
we
Yeah, I
saw-
have
but
some.
then it's sold
Yeah,
already.
yeah. This is like 5 years ago with me. I keep pruning the style and the thing. Yeah.
Wow. Any tips for like me that I don't have any idea how to grow or how to make bonsai?
Yeah, no. I think the most important is the wire. I mean the
Ah.
water.
Oh.
All of these ones you can like water,
Mhm.
and then the next thing is like there is different kind of type, like that kind of type, like this is style. This is a elm Chinese elm. So you have to play with the plant, you know, whatever how do you like, and then cascade style like this one. This is the part I think like
Uh-huh.
this is the cascade.
Cascading.
Yeah,
Oh.
like all of the things.
Bend it and
Then
play
you go
around.
down, yeah, like I think you have to use. You need to know a little bit about the tree, but mostly like your how you want the tree, you know.
Yeah, to
Like I want this
wire
kind of
the style that you want it to look like.
yeah.
And then the soil is it important to the soil?
Yeah, I mean, it's important. You can have a regular soil. I used to grow with a regular soil, you know, like black soil or organic, like any kind. But this one I use bricks, you know, like they like bricks, and they supposed to help for the humidity and all those things, you know.
It's also mixed in the
Yeah, I mix
potting
with
soil, potting soil.
Yeah, with soil.
Because
and
the
then
the drainage is
sometimes,
that.
yes, a good
Oh.
drainage. And I used to put a little pea mold.
Oh.
I got these three things like the bricks,
Uh-huh.
little pea mold, and the
Oh, for moisture too.
yes.
Oh,
It
so it's
has a
like
good
all
drainage, yeah.
mixed in the
It has a
soil.
good drainage. It has a retained water.
So those are
Those are the things that have good drainage, has a like moist, and then
and combined with like
Exactly,
the rocks.
Yeah,
What is this again? The
bricks.
brick
This is a kind of lava,
Lava
but
rocks.
It's a bricks like I used to get like that bricks, and they go like crush.
mixed together.
bricks,
So like in organic and inorganic
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
type of
Yeah,
soil
and all
mixture.
the time before I used to grow in just regular soil,
Uh-huh.
and they grow so well. So sometimes you have to put fertilizer.
Oh, so they don't really grow well if it's like regular? Just
No,
like...
I mean it grows well. That's
Oh,
what I'm
it
saying. I
grows-
used to grow like on a regular.
Ah, so even
soil.
that you
Yeah.
can. Oh,
All of some
as
of
long
them,
I think the hole is very important, the
Yeah.
drainage.
because all of the one you have here, this one is just regular soil. You don't have to worry about like anything. This is just like regular campus soil.
Oh, but then they're okay. They're
they
thriving,
love it,
yeah.
Yeah. Some people when think about bonsai, they think like, oh, you have to put a kadama,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't. Like, maybe it's gonna help a lot, but
So I have a question. You let it grow from the stump, and you just take out these and cut it, and
Yeah.
you just—that's how your bonsai starts.
like
You know,
this
like
one.
how like this one right here.
Yeah.
If it grows bigger, you can use that into
You should.
your.
You can just let it go. This one was like maybe this high.
Oh.
This year I cut it down. I wanted the size of this size, so I cut it down. Even if I don't have branches,
Mm-hmm.
just the main trunk. Now in this spring, all this is new one. You know.
So,
Oh.
but this is when you start.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ah.
From here, I need to choose my face of the tree.
Correct.
So then I'm gonna start like this one is gonna be gone. And
Oh.
then I have one branch right here. Maybe this one is gonna, or probably this one is gonna go out. I need to.
Yeah, so basically you work from these, they go from side to side.
Exactly. I need to from here now. I need to choose the branch that I need.
Mm-hmm.
This one, and then the apex right here, and then I just gonna let it grow, and then next year again, chop it, cut,
Oh, and then
keep working. Yeah.
Okay,
keep working the.
see, that's a lot of work.
Yeah.
It's patience.
Yeah.
Takes a lot of
You need
patience.
to have a lot of patience.
He must be a nice husband because he has so much patience. Look at this. It's a big.
Same as those. These are maples also.
Oh,
You can see like they were like that tall.
Mm-hmm.
I cut it last year, these two, and now I'm letting them to grow. This I wanted for like a bonsai. These are just a decorative plant. Yeah,
Decorative.
for garden.
So if you cut it here and cut it here, this one you can replant in the ground?
No.
It'll exist?
Oh, so which one
So it
is
has to
gonna
have
grow?
a root.
No.
When I did those there, I did that one. You can I call like ellery, so
Yeah.
you make roots.
Yeah.
So means
Oh,
So
so
you
that
open
means.
it up and you put a soil.
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
okay, there you go.
You-
Oh, so it's like marketing. I think marketing.
Yeah, it's called
Like
marketing in
the
yeah,
high school.
understand.
I remember
So
that.
you open it up,
Home
put a
economics.
soil, cover it up.
Yes.
Wait a
Ah.
couple months till you see the roots,
Exactly.
then you can
Yes.
cut it.
So even if like here you chop it and then just do that
No, but
process,
You need to do only one.
which is
Probably you can do only two. If you want, like maybe you can do one right here.
Uh-huh.
And maybe one right here, no more than that. But probably the second one, but this one's gonna have like 80%.
Oh, so you cannot have multiple?
Not that much.
Because
But
I think the
most of-
nutrients
yeah,
wise,
exactly.
yeah,
Because the leaves is the one who give you the things to make the root.
that's true.
But if you want to keep the base for the bonsai, you can elevate here. So you have this tree, and next year you're gonna have new trees from
New
leaves.
branches coming out.
Exactly. Yeah.
So does that mean peel it here?
Yeah, just
and
peel the
then,
outer bark.
Yeah.
and then like put soil.
Put like soil.
And then-
yeah.
I told
Yeah,
you, he's the pro.
Yeah.
You gotta listen.
I told you, bonsai lesson
Propagate.
101.
Yeah, you can propagate more. Like that, yeah. So if you have a big tree, you can try to do like LRD, maybe this branch. I think if it's a small one like this, you can do more than one, like maybe 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Because it's the smaller branches.
Yeah, small branches, yeah.
What's your favorite tree to?
With amber, like this kind of plant. This one.
Which is the
because
parang
They call,
oh, is
they
it
call like liquid amber, they call like sweet gum.
amber?
Yeah.
So amber tree. Oh,
So
manipulate.
fast,
Oh.
plus, this one doesn't get the leaf doesn't get burned, and in the fall they have like nice color of this plant, like red,
Mhm.
yellow, green. Yeah,
So in fall it
In fall,
changes
yeah.
color.
I love maples also, but maples when it's really hot with the heat, they burn the leaves, so it doesn't look that good.
Unlike the
Yeah, and this one can be in the full sun and
They're
the leaves are
fine.
like just green like this. Yeah.
I noticed there's fruit already.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is-
pine cone.
Yeah, this
It's
is
like the cone? Oh my
I love
God,
this
look.
kind of tree also. This is really good. This is
That's
like
beautiful.
white birch. When they get old, this one, the branch it become like I mean the main trunk it become white. Like this one is getting like
Oh, so this is also the same
Yeah.
plant. Yeah.
the same. It start getting white. The
Mm.
main trunk.
Oh.
This one was like really small when I got this one, and then now like 3-4 years ago like that.
Beautiful. Oh. And this is stunning too. Look
Yeah,
at. Is it your collection?
Maple like a regular one.
Uh-huh. But the color, look at that.
Yeah.
So it's also changed in summer. I mean in winter.
This just got red and then just change the leaves a little bit.
This,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
mostly red color. Wow.
Yeah.
These are beautiful, Jose.
I like on this side. You can go
These
to
are
sleep on this
amazing
one.
collection.
Yeah.
Right
Huh?
here, you can put a chair. I can just go to sleep. In this one.
Oh my God, I know.
Yeah, this is like my favorite place also.
Yeah.
I come here all the time.
So, where can we find you if they want to order some arrangement or bonsai? Where can they order? Marketplace?
Marketplace.
What's your name in Marketplace again?
It's Des Anasario Rojas Bonsai.
Bonsai. That's your marketplace store.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your time.
Yan.
And I will be back to get more.
Ganda, no? Beautiful. You know, maganda?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Oh, good. Good. Remember that word.